Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech and Trends. In today's explainer, we're going to learn about IP addressing in the absolute easiest way possible. Have you ever wondered how your phone, laptop, or even your smart TV actually gets identified on the internet? Well, stick around, because by the end of this explainer, you'll understand IP addresses in a really simple way. All right, let's dive right in. Section 1. What is an IP address? To really get a handle on this, just think about where you live. If a delivery person wants to drop off a package, they need your exact street address to find your front door, right? Well, the internet works exactly the same way. An IP address, which stands for Internet Protocol Address, is simply a unique set of numbers that identifies a specific computer or device on the internet. Just like every single home out there has a unique street address, every connected device has its very own digital address.
It's really just a string of numbers separated by dots, something like 192.168.1.5. The network uses this specific number sequence to find your exact digital house among the billions of other devices out there.
But here's something interesting. Why are these specific numbers absolutely essential for your everyday devices? That brings us to Section 2. Why do devices need them? Imagine your phone, your laptop, and your smart TV are all connected to your home Wi-Fi. Without an IP address, the data between them is completely lost. These devices simply wouldn't know how to reach each other. If you try to send an email without an IP address, it's literally exactly like trying to mail a physical letter without writing the destination address on the envelope. The post office wouldn't have a clue where to send it. The IP address acts as that essential destination tag. So, you might be wondering, how do they actually communicate back and forth using these addresses?
Let's move right into Section 3, how an IP address works.
Think of device communication almost like two friends trading digital mail. When your phone wants to send a message, it doesn't just send the whole thing as one giant heavy block. Instead, the data travels in fast, tiny chunks called packets. Imagine a photo being chopped up into hundreds of tiny puzzle pieces all racing along a track. Each tiny packet gets stamped with two things, the destination IP address and the source IP address. This way, if a piece gets lost along the way, the receiver knows exactly who to ask for a replacement.
So, what actually happens when you search Google or open up a video?
Let's look at Section 4, a real-life example. Let's set the scene here. You're sitting at home, you open up your laptop, and you click play on a YouTube video. Here are the 4 simple steps of what happens in mere milliseconds. 1. Your laptop sends a request for the video stamped with your laptop's unique IP address. 2. That request travels to your home internet router. 3. Your router forwards that request out to YouTube's IP address. And 4. YouTube reads your return IP address, packs up the video, and sends it hopping right back to you. Your IP address is what ensures the video plays on your laptop and not on your neighbor's TV. But wait, did you know there are actually different types of IP addresses? This brings us to Section 5, Types of IP Addresses. We're going to keep this totally jargon-free. IP addresses generally come in 2 main flavors. A private IP is used safely inside your own home network. It's kind of like an internal room number, just so your laptop and phone don't get confused inside the house. A public IP, on the other hand, is your router's external face to the entire internet. It's like the main street address for your whole building. Your router basically acts as a friendly security guard, translating between the two. Now, we're going to cover these deeply in our next explainer.
All right, are you ready for a quick recap?
Section 6, quick recap. Let's bring all this learning together. Here's your quick checklist of what to remember. First, an IP address is simply your device's digital street address. Second, it is absolutely essential to send and receive data. Without it, the internet is totally lost. Third, it works by routing tiny puzzle pieces of data called packets. And finally, there are 2 main types, public for the outside world and private for inside your home.
So that's all about IP addresses in simple terms. I hope this explainer helped you understand networking a little bit better. In the next explainer, we'll learn about IPv4 and how IP numbers actually work. If you found this explainer helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech and Trends for more easy-to-understand tech explainers. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.